Welcome to WordPress. This is WordPress admin, blog posts area. It looks like post's title is squeezed or too small. Kind of layout problem where post titles are showing vertically. While this is not a big problem, but sometimes you have to fix minor things in WordPress before you hand over the project. This can happen when there are more columns being displayed than what fits on your screen. To fix it, click Screen Options in the upper right corner and uncheck columns that you don't use on a regular basis. Well, I certainly don't use some of these on regular basis, so I will uncheck some of these. When you are done, reload the page and you will still see the updated view. So our problem is fixed, but if this doesn't work for you, it can be a plugin conflict. To handle that issue, backup WordPress. Go to Plugins and install Health Check and Troubleshooting plugin. Using this plugin, put WordPress in troubleshooting mode. That will disable plugins. Then using Health Check and Troubleshooting plugin, enable plugins one by one and see if any plugin is causing this issue. If you find that plugin, search for WP Rollback. Install this plugin. Using this plugin, try installing plugins version that works for you, or remove that problematic plugin that is causing the issue. But in most cases, adjusting from screen options will fix the issue. Alright, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.